Look shallow northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow northeast now. Hindi na catch. Kill the guards, kill the guards. Yo, go upstairs, southeast. Careful over the wall northwest. Again, castles. Pag mga castle, B. Opposite of the reds, okay? Careful. Upstairs, okay? Def now. Careful, yo, party 2. Look shallow northwest on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest now on the gate, party 2. Foot check only, okay? Kill the guards. You ready? Party 1 on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate now. On the gate. Hit the gate. Def now. Ilson na kaya.
Party 2 ready.
Party 2 ready. Yo,
CD sila, CD.
OC.
Ready na sila.
Yo. Party 2 on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party 2 on the gate. Yo, party 1 on the gate. Ayan, def now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party 1 on the gate now. Party 1 on the gate. Hit. Keep bashing.
Guys, heal up front guys.
Keep bashing ha.
Cooldown comp mga to.
Yo, ditang step up. Be first. Ditang step up. Careful. Ready your pats ha. Careful.
Ready.
Walk. Def now. Walk. Yo, party 2 shallow on the stairs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on the stairs now. Party 2. Yo, kill the guards. Yo, party 1. Look shallow on the stairs again in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on the stairs again. Shallow door. Party 1. Hit. Keep killing the guards. Keep killing the guards.
Step full down.
Keep killing the guards. Yo, def now. Yo, kill the guards. Walk in. Everyone walk in. Yo, party 2 northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party 2 now. Deep northwest now. Party 2. Yo, walk in. Party 1. Northwest stairs. Hold. Walk. Ready on the stairs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the stairs now. Hit the stairs. Grab that shit. Yo, keep pushing. Just keep pushing them. Brawl na. Don't click the gate first. Hold. Spread here.
Party 2 ready.
Okay, everyone get the gate now. Everyone click the gate. Kill yun na low. Keep chasing them before we cap this. Yo, go click southwest gate. Just drop your Eason cooldown.
Yo, sino yung GA? Can you stop setting up for us? It's fucking up my camp.
Immortal nag-zone na din dito sa pass.
Okay, copy.
Level 18.
On top ni mga nasa labas ng castle.
Yung Wakiman healthy. Yung reload level 19 na lang yung reload.
Party, yung Wakiman.
Healthy sila 19 day pa din.
Lakas talaga ng mga Wakiman.
Nakakaitatayan ngayon. Feeling ko.
Meron pa sa ping.
Yo, if you have loots, drop your shit here. Mount up.
Ping.
Mount up. Wake up this first before tayo makakagulon.
This one guys. May namatay ba?
Pinag-zone mo yun.
Ah, shit. Yung blob.
Hindi.
What's the blob?
Atay natin. Kami.
Okay. Kill the guards.
Guys, guards on the east.
West. Tara din sa west.
Casualty. Anyone dive?
Meron.
Sino?
MC.
Art.
Si Art.
Link.
Hindi natin sure kung babalik pa yan pa na ito. For Zerg, 4 na Zerg na sa G-Pass.
4 na Zerg. Dumami yung Wakiman. Andito yung alliance nila ng Stray Dog. Level 24 na sila. Holding na lang sa castle yung Wakiman. Naglalaban yung dalawang balag sa baba.
Yo, get your sets. Don't drop your loots na dito. Sa MR na. Tara, let's go. Cap this, then everyone go to MR.
Guys, go guys.
We pry yung content.